Crafty Hope, and I'm about to package up some earrings that were ordered through my Etsy shop and send them to their new owner. But since these are leverback ear wires, I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you how I package these up, because they're a little different than the fishhook ear wires I showed you in the other video. Again, I am using what is like a cereal box or a cracker box that I've put dictionary paper on and whitewashed. So this can also be recycled, but I like to recycle things, and this is how I found best to do it. So I'm still using my 2 sets of pliers. Well, actually in my other video I only used 1 set. In this one I'll be using 2, a regular size hole punch, and I said pliers. I meant hole punches, y'all. Sorry, I get talking, my brain doesn't catch up. These are small ones. So I'm going to use both of those, and I'll probably be using some scissors. Now this piece here is already cut down pretty small, but I want it to fit around the earrings pretty concisely. So to do this, I always, excuse the dog, I always open it and check which is front and back, and I know that this bottom part of these leverback ear wires has a larger part than this part that goes through the ear. So I know that I want my bigger hole from the regular size hole punch on the bottom. So I'm going to take that and just kind of guess about where that's going to be, and then go over a couple spaces and punch another one. And that's with my regular size hole punch. Now I'm going to use my small hole punch here and go just above those holes, and I can't even tell you how much above, because sometimes I get it right, sometimes I don't. I had a template for a while, but that if I switched out different ear wires, it didn't work on every brand of ear wire. So I just have to play it by ear. Get it? By ear, earrings, haha. So once those holes are punched, I put that larger one in the bottom and then the smaller one through the top, and I close it just like that. And I'll repeat for the other ear wire here. Bigger through the bottom, smaller through the top, and close. And like that, those are on the backer and they're perfectly secure. And then I'm going to just cut down my piece of cardboard so that, and then even it up, because I can't seem to make a straight cut. And I'm trying to decide if I want to keep, I think I'm going to just keep that little bit of a dip down there so that it has some room. So that's it, guys. That's how I make the leverback earring backers. And I'll have some more videos on how I package things up later. So I appreciate you coming by and watching. Thanks, guys. Bye.